In addition to mail merging letters, you can also mail merge envelopes. For example, I'm going to press the key combination Control N for a new document. I'm then going to click the Mailings tab in the ribbon, and in the Start Mail Merge group, I'll click the Start Mail Merge button and choose Step by Step Mail Merge Wizard. This time I'm going to choose Envelopes at the top of the Mail Merge task pane. Then I'm going to click Next, Starting Document at the bottom of the task pane. Step 2, I get the opportunity to choose the envelope options, such as the size of the envelope I want to mail merge. And I'm going to accept the size DL because this is the most popular envelope size in business. So I'll click OK. I'm then going to click Next and select my recipients. I'll then browse for the file I created earlier called Company. And double-click Company. Here are all the people in my company document, so I'll click OK. I'll then click Next at the bottom of my Mail Merge task pane. Here I can decide to insert the various fields. Now the trick for young players is that you must click on the page until you find this rectangle frame. Then click Address Block so it puts it inside of the frame. And there it is there. If I click Next, I can preview my envelopes and I can move between the recipients. If I then click Next, I can complete the mail merge by clicking the Edit Individual Envelopes button and clicking OK. And now I have all 90 envelopes that I can print to go with my letters.